Hi, how you doing? This is Romeo the Professor. So I'm in a automated market maker called app.baguette exchange. It's a swap for Avalanche. Again, you see it over here. It's app.baguette.exchange. That's BAGUETTE. I'm going to buy a specific coin that's called SHIBX. But before I buy that, I want to show you that I've been in SHIBX, and it today alone went down 50%. Okay, today alone 46% from all-time high. Today alone, price change 46%. So if you look at from all-time high, 68%. So I didn't buy it at all. Meaning I didn't buy it at all. I waited, and right now I see it's coming up. So I said, let me buy. So I go here. I have AVAX here. I'm not going to use all 13 because I need AVAX as a gas, because AVAX, Avalanche, is a mother coin. So now I'm buying this with MetaMask, and you see I'm buying it. You need MetaMask can be converted into several different mother coins. So I did the Avalanche mainnet. See, my name is Romeo the Professor, by the way. You can follow, subscribe, share, like. We do have a course. You click on the description, enter your name and email address. You'll get 3 lessons free, and you can buy a course where we have a private Telegram group where we'll guide you on buying different coins that you want to buy. But this is an automatic market maker. So now you ask, what is SHIBAVX? So here's the SHIBAVX. And if we look at within 1 year, you would see that it's not that old. It came out in September 23rd. If we do all time, you see it still say September 23rd. And so that's been like close to 2 months. And then the market cap is right at 8 million. Now, coins like this, I don't believe in trading. I believe in holding it for more than 6 months, because when I did my statistic, I'm not a financial advisor, but I did my analysis and realized meme coins tend to grow within a year 100 million a month, making it 1.2 billion, or 50 million. Between 50 million times 12, that takes us to 600 million. So I'm cool with holding it for 6 months or longer to get this market cap at least above 50 million. That's about a 7x. If it gets above 80 million, that's about a 10x. And so that's why I'm holding this coin. And if we look at the 1 day mark, we see it touched here 6.6, and now it's right at 8. So that's why I loaded it up with another, I think about $700. I'm going to probably put a little bit more in it again. So now that we know that, so let's go to the website. So here's SHIBAVX, tokenomics, strengths, roadmap, how to buy. It explains it's the fairest meme token on Avalanche network. So it's an Avalanche meme token. Total supply, liquidity, airdrop 1%, the strength, community driven, fair launch, which it was to avoid whales and bots. The preliminary mechanism. So you could get involved in the community, the roadmap. So it's listed on Baguette Dex. It's been done. First marketing campaign contract on 1,000 holders. So it's growing slowly. Binance to Binance Smart Chain Bridge. Okay. So it's remember, when it's meme coins, you don't put all your money in. Okay. I don't recommend this, but I just always say you want to have in your portfolio at least 2 meme coins. One meme coin that is market cap above 150 million to 200 million. So you know that's a solid meme coin. And then a meme coin where market cap is under 10 million. The meme coin market cap is under 10 million. It's risky, but you just leave the money there for a year, 6 months minimum, or if it does 10x, whichever you prefer, and you just let it ride. So I'm not a financial advisor. That's what I do. Again, I bought the meme coin on this automatic market maker app, baguette.exchange, and it's called SHIBX. Okay, so now that you know how to get SHIBX, I'm out. Follow, subscribe, share, like. You could join our course. Click the link. Pay for the course. You'll join our private Telegram group that you'll be invited to ask questions and things like that. Thank you.